Good morning, children.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
Okay, so children, we are learning fractions. Yes? Okay. Tell me what is a
morning.
fraction? Who can tell me what is a fraction?
Part of a whole.
Fraction is a part of a whole. Then we learned equivalent fractions. What is equivalent fraction?
Fraction that denote in the same.
Same part of a whole. So fractions that denote the same part of a whole, it is known as equivalent fraction. And children, we know how to make equivalent fraction. We can multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, we can multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. So we'll get equivalent fraction. Also, we can do division, divide also. We can do divide. If the fraction is big fractions, we can divide to make it small. So we can find out equivalent fractions. Okay, now last class we have discussed how to compare who eat more, who studied more, who did more homework. We also can find out by comparison. And I told you we can compare, I told you cross multiply method. Do you remember cross multiply? We can multiply the numerator of the first fraction multiplied by denominator of the second, and denominator of the first multiplied by the numerator of the second. It is x cross. That cross multiply method also we used to compare the fractions. Okay. Okay, so children, now, Mivel, can you read question number 18 again? We will discuss that answers. All others, please listen. Page number 5 in the workbook. Question number 18. We have discussed, but we have to write that answers now. Okay, Mivel, read.
Tina eats
2 by 3.
2 by 3 and
Amit.
Amit eat 1 by 4 of an apple. Who eat less?
Who ate less? So we have discussed in the last class, we using the fraction bar, or that is in the rectangles we have shaded and we have found out. Also, I show you the cross multiplication method. And do you remember who ate less?
Ma'am, I don't write that.
We don't write it, but we have discussed that answers.
With
2 by 3 or 1 by 4, which is less?
Ma'am, I didn't write that.
1 by 4. Okay, so children, we are going to write that now. Okay, 1 by 4 is smaller. So we have discussed that in the last class. Now we are going to write that question in the book. All of you please take out page number 5. Page number 5. Page number 5. Question number 18. Page number 5, question number 18. So children, I told you how we can draw and compare. So 2 by 3 equal bars. We have done this, but those who have not written, we can draw the pictures again. Now here, it is, we have to divide equally. So here 2 by 3. 2 by 3, that is who have Tina. Okay, Tina is 2 by 3. So we have to do 3 equal parts. 1, 2, and 3. 2 by 3. One part. Here another part. So this is 2 by 3. We have to shade how many parts? 2. We have to shade 2 parts. That is 2 by 3. Okay. So 2 by 3. That is for Tina. Tina ate 2 by 3 of apple. And Amit 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 means, children, you have to divide 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can make 1 part, 2, 3, 4. So this 4, fraction 4, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means how many portion has to be colored? Only 1 part. So 1 by 4. Who have eaten this much apple? That is Amit. Amit. Okay, Anay, are you writing? Page number 5, question number 18. Finished? So Aiden, please tell me from who ate more. Look at the picture. Who ate more? We can see from the picture.
Amit. Amit.
The question is who ate less? That is Amit. But I am asking you now, who ate more?
Tina.
Look at Tina, because here Tina is eating this much, but Amit only this much. Our question is to find the less part, that is Amit. Okay, that is correct. But here when I ask you who eat more, you can see from the picture 2 by 3. So that is T. But our question, what we have to find here, who ate less? Okay, so who ate less? Amit. Okay. And I also taught you another method that we will discuss here. 2 by 3, 1 by 4. This is cross multiplication method. No need to write that. Okay. No need to write that. Okay, Len, can you please unmute and tell me how we can do cross multiply? Len. 2 multiplied by which number? 2 into?
2 into 4.
4. What is 2 into 4?
8.
8. So this fraction 2 by 3 is 4. We will write it is 8. Okay, what about 3 times 1? 3 times 1?
3.
3. So
3.
which number is big? 8 or 3? Which number is big? 8 or 3? Yes? Which number is big? 8 or 3? Yes, Angelo? No, I'm asking 8 or 3. Which is big number? 8. Yes, 8 is bigger. So we can write like this. 8 is greater than 3. So that means our fraction 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. So children, like this method also we can find to compare. So here we are not using here, we are using by the picture. Okay. So this much you can write. Okay, so 2 by 3, Tina, 1 by 4, Amit. So we can write 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. This we can see from the picture itself. Yes, the picture we can see 2 by 3 is shaded this much part, and 1 by 4 is shaded only this much part. So 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. Therefore, who ate less? So here we can write Tina ate more pieces of apple than Amit. Therefore, Tina ate more pieces of the apple than Amit. Okay. In the last class, we have discussed this, but we have not written. So here we have those who have drawn already the picture, no need to write it again. Others, please complete fast. So 2 by 3, that is for Tina. 1 by 4, Amit. So from the picture itself, children, we can see 2 by 3. That fraction is bigger because we can see it is this much part. Look here, this much part. We can see this much part. And this 1 by 4 only small piece. So that is less. So therefore, Tina ate more pieces of the apple than Amit. I hope you have finished. Okay, children, completed, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes?
No.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Who is not completed? Write it fast.
Ma'am, completed.
Ah,
I'm finished.
so those who are not finished, do it fast.
Ma'am, finished. Finished.
Okay.
Finished.
Okay, Algan,
I'm
read
not
question number 19. Those who finish, now check question number 19. Others, please mute. Only Algan. Yes, Algan.
Rohit covers 7 by 9 of the distance from place A to B. Iron covers 4 by 6 from of the same distance. Who has covered more distance?
Okay, Rohit covers how much? 7 by
Right.
9. Arun covers 4 by 6. We have to find out who covered more distance. So what we can do, we can draw the rectangle, that fraction bar, and we can find out. Okay, we will do together, children. Okay, next question. Next question, question number 19A. We are going to write 19A. So, fraction of the distance covered by Rohit. We will write here, fraction of distance. Fraction of distance covered by Rohit. Fraction of distance covered by Rohit. Rohit covered 7 by 9. 7 by 9. And Arun covered. So we can write this like the same step. Fraction of distance covered by Arun. Fraction of distance covered by Arun. Fraction of distance covered by Arun, that is equal to 4 by 6. Okay. Now children, write this. Then we are going to draw 7 by 9, 4 by 6. Fraction of distance covered by Rohit is equal to 7 by 9. Next, fraction of distance covered by Arun. What is that? 4 by 6. Now draw two equal rectangles. Draw two equal rectangles. We want to find out. This rectangle, same size we have to draw here. So first one we have go to 7 by 9. 7 by 9. Next one is 4 by 6. 4 by 6. 7 by 9 children, you have to draw equal 9 parts. 1. 6, So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have like 9 parts. So same size, you have to make 7 by 9. So you have to shade 7 parts out of 9 total parts. Here next one is 4 by 6. So the second picture we had to make how many? 6 parts. So first we will try to find out equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, children, now shade 7 parts from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 9. Who ran, who covered 7 by 9? That is Rohit. So this fraction is for Rohit. Rohit covered 7 by 9 of the distance. And 4 by 6 for Arun. So Arun covered 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So easily we can see from here. This for Arun, this much portion, Arun. And Rohit covered 7 by 9 means this much portion, this much. Okay. Now, Anay, look at the picture and tell me who covered more distance. Look at the picture 7 by 9 and 4 by 6. Which is more? Yes, Anay? I cannot hear.
Rohit.
Rohit, because 7 by 9 is bigger. So children, we can see from here clearly. So we will write in the next step 7 by 9. That is, it is clearly from the picture we can understand 7 by 9 is greater than 4 by 6. So Rohit covered more distance. So Rohit covered more distance. So Rohit covered more distance from A to B. Then Arun covered less. Okay. So children, like this fraction, how we are comparing? We are comparing by drawing fraction bar. Okay, drawing fraction bar of the same size. So you have to draw equal parts. Otherwise, you cannot identify from the picture. So what do you have to do first? Who is talking there? Please mute your audio. Okay, so children here, if you are not drawing equally, children, it will not be possible to identify from the picture. So 7 by 9 means children, first picture, you have to divide into equal 9 parts. Second picture, you have to divide into equal how many parts? 6. Then you can see from the picture 7 by 9 is greater than 4 by 6. That means who covered more distance? Rohit. Okay. Now, children, we have one more question in that B. Ritu, can you read question number B, Ritu? Unmute.
Yes.
Yes. Read question number B.
What's the name?
John.
John
Hmm.
raised for 2 by 3 of an hour and
All the children, please listen to the question. John raised 2 by 3 of an hour. Okay.
Charlie raised
4 by 6
4 by 6 for,
of the same.
of the same time.
Did
Did
both raise
raise
for
for an equal
amount of
raise
time.
for
So children, we had to find out whether 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 are equivalent or not. So John raised for how many hour? 2 by 3 of an hour. And Charlie raised 4 by 6 of the same time. Did both of them raise for an equal time? Means, is these two fractions are equivalent? Children, you know how to make equivalent fraction? Fraction by multiplying both numerator and denominator by the same number. Now, all the children, look at these questions and tell me, 2 by 3, by which number if you multiply, you will get 4 by 6?
19.
This is also 19th. Okay, so tell me by 2 by 3, into which number you will get 4 by 6? Multiply by which number? 2, yes. Very good. So 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 2, 6. So you can easily look at the fractions 2 by 3 and 4 by 6. And you can identify when you multiply by 2, you will get they are equal fraction. That is equivalent fraction means both John and Charlie raised for equal amount of time. Understood? So how you made 2 by 3 into 4 by 6? By multiplying by 2. Okay. So children, can we write this? Also, we can draw the picture and we can check whether these two fractions are equivalent. Are they equal fractions? So all the children, please write question number 19B. Try to find a place. 19B. Children, write smaller. Otherwise you will not able to write full steps. So time for which John raised. Time for which John raised. Means they were doing a running race. So how much hour he was taking? That is 2 by 3. Time for which Charlie raised. Charlie. How much time Charlie raised? That is 4 by 6. Okay. Now we have to find out whether they are equal. So we will draw the fractions. 2 by 3 and 4 by 6. Right? Time for which John raised. We will write here raised. So 2 by 3. Time for which Charlie raised. So if you write first sentence, time for which John raised. Look at the question, 2 by 3. Then instead of John, the same sentence, write with the name Charlie. Time for which Charlie raised. Okay, now draw the picture in the next. If you have place, you can draw. Otherwise, first one is 2 by 3. So, you have to write 2 by 3. So that is for 2 by 3 for John. How much portions you have to shade? 2 parts. Next one is 4 out of 6. So this also you will first draw 2 by 3, then you can divide.
Equal amount.
So that is for Charlie. Four by 6. 4 by 6, you have to shade how many parts? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the picture itself, you can see they are same amount. Look here. Here we are doing 2 by 3 still here, 4 by 6 here. So we can write both John and Charlie raised equal amount of time. So we can write in the last step, both raised. The question is, who then did both raise for an equal amount of time? So we can to write both raised for an equal amount of time. Last sentence you can check. Last sentence. Did both of them raised equal amount of time? So here both raised for an equal amount of time. For an equal amount of time. Children, write fast. John, you can shade that is 2 by 3. Charlie, that is 4 by 6. So you can see from the picture itself, both are same. Both raised for same amount of time. So in the last sentence, both raised for an equal amount of time. Both raised for an equal amount of time. Okay. Next one, we can do it now. Question number 20A, we can do now B in the next class. Okay, children, I hope you have finished. Nora finished? Okay, Anne. So, Nora, can you read question number 20A? 20A.
Ronnie has two cardboard boxes
Pieces of the.
of the following shapes. How can he shade each shape to show the fraction 2 by 6?
Okay, so which are the two shapes given?
Rectangle and a circle.
Huh?
A rectangle and a circle.
Rectangle and circle. So what we have to do to show 2 by 6? First, we have to divide into 6 parts. Okay. And from 6 parts, how many parts to be shaded? 2. Okay. So all the children you can do in the rectangle and circle, divide 6 parts and shade how many? 2 parts. Do it fast. Question number 20. 20A. So it is given 2 shapes. Which are the 2 shapes? Rectangle and a circle. They are asking whether can we show 2 by 6. Yes, we can make. How? We can divide into 6 parts. So here 1, make equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can make how 2 by 6? Okay. Next one, how we can make First we will draw half, then make equal. Two parts. Here also you can children shade, you can shade two parts. Try to draw equal parts, okay? So this is 2 by 6, here also 2 by 6. So we can write faster. To show 2 by 6, to show fraction 2 by 6. We divide both the figures in 6 equal parts. We divide both the figures into 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts and color 2 parts. And color 2 parts. 2 parts out of 6. Out of 6.
Ma'am,
Okay.
where we want to write?
Question number 20A, you don't have place to write there? Question number 20A, page number what? Page number 6. Okay, page number 6. Try to draw.
Ma'am, I'm writing this. I'm writing like this.
Okay. So children, what we can write A and 2 figures as given. You have to divide into 6 parts. And we are writing how we can write to show fraction 2 by 6. We divide both the figures into 6 equal parts and color 2 parts out of 6. 2 parts out of 6. Children, I hope finished and I will send the notes. Okay. Now it's the time. So children, what we had to write? To show fraction 2 by 6, we divide both the figures into 6 parts and color 2 parts. Only that much we can write. Okay, children. Bye. Now we are going to wind up the class.
Ma'am.
And I'll send the notes. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children. Bye. Thank you.